know we all love to experience and get close to a waterfall. Who doesn't? The rocks, the sound of the rapid waters that flow endlessly, and of course, the beauty in nature. With me today, I present to you the beautiful Busowoko Falls. Enjoy the vlog. This is how you get welcomed when you reach Busowoko Falls, with the cultural dances, happy faces. One thing for sure about Uganda, people are always welcoming and happy. Nothing more, nothing less. One thing about us, when we take a road trip, we'll jump out of the vehicle to just have a blast and a dance. As we create content, it was amazing. You can watch us enjoy ourselves, guys. Enjoy. Having Ugandan cuisine, fun. Can't wait to get to Jinja and have fun. What's a trip to Jinja without stopping by at the Namawajelo chicken? It was lovely and nice having this grilled chicken straight from the fire, served with love. It is a smooth road while going to Busowoko Falls. It's a bit bumpy, dusty, but when you reach the sight of the waters and the green, you forget about everything that you've been through. Welcome. So guys, we just reached Busowoko Falls. The place is so beautiful. I'm gonna just turn around and let you see exactly my view. What my view looks like, guys. Check that. Very beautiful. This brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. See you in the next one.